Did you know every PLC system is built from multiple modules working together? Understanding these modules is the key to mastering industrial automation. A PLC starts with a rack. The rack holds all modules in fixed positions called slots. The first slot is usually the power supply module. It provides 24-volt DC to all PLC components. The second slot holds the CPU. This is the brain of the PLC system. It reads inputs, process logic, and control outputs based on the program. Next, we install input modules to monitor signals from field devices. For analog signals, we use analog input modules to read varying values. Output modules control devices like contactors and motors. Analog outputs are used for devices like proportional valves. Each module can handle multiple signals, typically between 8 and 32. For high accuracy tasks, special function modules are used. These modules process signals independently, improving performance. A communication process adds extra network ports when needed. PLC module selection depends on your application. Follow Automation Desk for more PLC and automation knowledge.